guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are Juan, Marcel, and Rhylan, and today we are coming to you live from Athens, Greece. I think Rhylan is a little homesick at this point, and she's in the Christmas spirit because today she sent me on a mission around the city to try and find the only, if you can see right there,
it's not
Starbucks. It's not the only, but the only one near us.
Yeah.
So we're here. And we're having some overpriced holiday Starbucks drinks when there's perfectly good Greek coffee all around.
Yeah, they only have some of the holiday drinks, so I got the toffee nut with oat milk.
And I got the gingerbread latte with oat milk.
Okay, ready? Cheers. Oh my gosh, it's interesting.
Yucky.
But
I'm pissed.
no.
I'm pissed. Look how cute she is in my beanie.
I stole his beanie this morning.
You look cute. Anyways, I'm glad we tried it for you.
Yeah.
Now we are going to go to this thing called the Christmas Factory, which was recommended to us by Alexandra. Thank you, Alexandra. Are you ready to see Santa? You're a scaredy cat.
I am. It should entice me, but instead
it frightens. Are you ready to be bumped around? This is absolute chaos and I want out of it now. Oh God. Alright, we got knocked around senseless in there, man.
yeah.
But we're starving and we've been craving sushi lately. A few actually of our subscribers recommended this place. It's called Koi Sushi Bar. So far we're off to a good start. The girl that sat us down recognized us from TikTok.
Yes. Oh, it was so
cute. Sweet.
So freaking cute.
The food is looking good. We got salmon sashimi, salmon nigiri, we got a bao bun, we got salmon teriyaki. Okay, you ready?
I've been ready.
Our first try of sushi in Athens. Be honest.
Good.
Hey, this is bomb. And so cheap. So unbelievably cheap, guys. This is freaking amazing. God, you guys are the best.
Seriously.
Oh,
Didn't see you there.
as you guys can tell, it's a very gloomy, windy day out, and most of the roads are closed, so we're going to be spending the day indoors.
Yes.
And we're actually very excited about it because...
We need a recharging day.
Yes, sorry, there's a guy chopping chicken chunks over on the side. It's insane.
We've been hearing it since we entered this.
Yeah, I have a headache. But anyways, we're getting desserts, and we're going to have a movie night. Okay, we got a lot of stuff, guys.
Desserts.
We got stuff to make cinnamon rolls. We got chips. We got stuff to make hot chocolate.
Popcorn because we're gonna watch a movie. Let's get to cooking.
Cooking.
I'm trying to get my accent on for Harry Potter.
Oh.
Let's get to cooking.
Take this thing out of it. All right. I wonder if this one pops like the American
I think
one.
you have to twist it, baby. That was so unsatisfying. Okay, let me cut it.
Boba. I can cut very good. You can get 4 out of that.
Okay, wait. Let me make little incisions. And we're not doing 4 huge cinnamon rolls.
I think you should do 4 thickums.
Okay, no, not 4, babe. That's
4.
insane.
4 is good. Nice.
Well, very good.
Nice.
I'm so fucking. Babe, what time is it? You didn't tell me.
It's my fault?
Yes.
It's my fault.
I'm
So you want to do
sad.
everything involving with the process, but then when it comes out like this, it's my fault.
I'm so sad.
Can't forget the most important part.
The cinnamon rolls.
Look at those beauties right there.
Yeah, we're gonna have him try one.
Alright,
Try
let's
this.
see.
Let me feed you. Is it good?
That's so sad. It's okay, baby. I love my little cinnamon centers. Ready? Harry Potter. Good morning, guys. We're ice skating at the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center. They don't let you go on with recording equipment, so we can only go one at a time to document this. Hi, baby. Have you learned anything since London? Oh!
I did it.
Babe.
With another gazelle.
Yeah, you freaking grabbing onto strangers?
Yeah.
Please. You can do it. Let's see. She's off the wall, folks. She is off the wall. Yay! Alright, I feel like we just left North Korea, man.
Yeah.
We were on the ice, and for some reason, they're just so strict about everything here.
Yeah, I don't know if that's like a regular icing. Icing.
How can you stay mad at them after that?
Anyways, I meant ice rink.
No, you said ice sink. We all know it, we all heard it. So
Icing. You know what?
they wouldn't let you bring your phone on there. No pictures. They
No
wouldn't let
camera.
you take the camera on to film. We were trying to hold on to each other, and then they skated up to us real fast. You cannot hold each other. I'm imagining a very strict like Russian accent because it felt very like
Yeah.
totalitarian or something. But I mean, it was just a normal voice. Anyways, we are having a nice coffee. There's like a Christmas cappuccino they serve here. That's really cute.
So good.
It's really good. And then today I think I'm going to do this thing I've been dreading doing, and I'm gonna cut my hair. Sadly, the curls are going to be gone. I've just realized the short hair is just so much easier and low maintenance. Instead of like lately, all I do is throw a beanie on every day. Like I don't even style it anymore. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but we're gonna see.
Say goodbye to the curls. They're officially gone. Oh my gosh! Can I touch it?
I'm a new man.
I haven't seen this hairstyle
I feel like a little boy. That's how I
in a
feel.
year.
I look like a little boy.
You are my little boy.
Alright guys, we are at a spot called Aragon House, which was recommended to us by Ria. Off to an amazing start. We just had the appetizers and my goodness.
So freaking good.
We got the hummus and pita, which was amazing.
Yeah.
And the calamari, I gotta say, was some of the best calamari I've ever had. And we're currently sitting here over our entrees, the main course.
I got the chicken with potatoes, obviously.
And I got the lamb chops with potatoes. So let's see.
try it. I'm gonna cut a piece.
Oh my freaking...
Oh my god, mine's so good. It's seasoned so well. I love this place. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me.
We also have some really amazing news, and it's official as of today.
Yeah, today.
We're firm believers in experiences over like physical gifts. So for all of our special occasions like our anniversary or our birthdays or Christmas, we always like to gift each other like an experience instead of, you know, just a gift. So this year for Christmas, we decided we're going to give each other this experience. Rhylan has never been to Paris, so we're going to Paris for Christmas, the whole week leading up to Christmas.
And on top of that, we're gonna do something that is literally my favorite thing in the whole entire world. We are going to Disneyland Paris.
Yeah, Paris has a Disneyland in it. I don't know if you guys all knew that. I honestly didn't know until she brought it up. How magical would Disney in Paris be?
Yeah.
We're excited to bring you guys with us.
We love you guys. Thank you for watching another weekly vlog, and we will see you next week in Disneyland.